You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. There are, I'm afraid, different pronunciations. If you want to learn more confusing names pronounced, stay tuned. The French pronunciation is Teo, same in Spanish pronunciation, Teo, or Italian, Teo. Therefore, in English, it's often pronounced simply as Teo. Therefore, but some pronounce it also as Teo. In English, the pronunciation is often Teo. How do you pronounce it? Let us know where you're from and how you pronounce it. So everybody is a little bit clearer on how you pronounce your name, how it should be pronounced, Teo or Teo. Let us know specifically how you pronounce it in the comments. Thank you. See you there. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.